Beta, we were studying reproduction in amoeba. We have already covered binary fission. Second method is multiple fission. Multiple means many. So it is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent body divides to form large number of daughters simultaneously. ਇੱਕੋ ਸਮੇਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ daughters ਦੇ ਬਣਨ ਦੇ process ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ multiple fission. Generally it occurs during unfavorable period. Multiple fission can occur in two ways. Without insistment of parent, ਉਹ ਮੈਥਡ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਅਮੀਬਾ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ. ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਫਿਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ ਇਨਸਿਸਟਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ, ਉਹ ਮੈਥਡ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਫਿਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਆਪਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਵਾ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ ਅਪ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਫਿਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦਾਊਟ ਇਨਸਿਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ. So how this process takes place? Here again, first of all, it withdraws its pseudopodia, body becomes round in shape. Then just see nucleus of the, or you can say nuclear material or chromosomes of the parent, they replicate many times to form large number of daughter, you can say sets of chromosomes. So the process of division of chromosomes or replication of chromosomes, repeated replication of chromosomes is known as endomitosis. Now what happens? Nuclear membrane breaks down. ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ nuclear membrane ਟੁੱਟ ਗਈ. These sets of chromosomes, which are nearly 500 sets, they are released in the cytoplasm. So ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜੇ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, nearly they are 200, sorry, they are 200 in number. So just see, they are released in cytoplasm. Then a bit of cytoplasm gathers around each set of chromosome. ਹਰ ਇੱਕ set of chromosome ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ cytoplasm ਇਕੱਠਾ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ. And the structure so formed is covered by a membrane. So set of chromosomes, ਉਹਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਥੋੜਾ cytoplasm ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ? ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ plasma membrane. So what happens? These are the daughter nuclei. So ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਨਵੀਂ membrane ਬਣੀ, that resembles with plasma membrane, but it is a nuclear membrane. So nearly 200 daughter nuclei they are formed in this manner. So ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ daughter ਜਿਹੜੇ set of chromosomes ਉਹਨਾਂ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ cytoplasm ਇਕੱਠਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ? ਉਹਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਨਵੀਂ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਰ ਮੈਂਬਰੇਨ ਬਣ ਗਈ. ਕੁਛ ਪਾਰਟ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮ ਦਾ which contains excretory waste materials that is not used in the formation of daughter amoebae, that remains as unused cytoplasm. Then what happens? After this daughter, you can say daughter amoeba, they are formed, and each daughter amoeba it secretes around itself a cyst wall. So parent ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ cyst wall ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਾਟਰ ਅਮੀਬਾ ਬਣੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ? ਸੈਟ ਆਫ ਕ੍ਰੋਮੋਸੋਮਸ, ਦੈਨ ਅ ਬਿਟ ਆਫ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮ, ਦੈਨ ਅ ਪਲਾਜ਼ਮਾ ਮੈਂਬਰੇਨ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਅ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ. ਸੋ ਨੀਅਰਲੀ 200 cysts they are formed in one parent. What happens when the favorable conditions arrive? ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਟੋਬੇ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਸੁੱਕ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਨੈਚੁਰਲੀ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਡਾਟਰ ਅਮੀਬਾ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ. ਅਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਫੇਵਰੇਬਲ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਪਾਣੀ ਪੌਂਡਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਰੇਨੀ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ, then cyst wall ruptures and from which daughter amoeba emerges out. This process is also known as sporulation, and the daughter amoeba which are formed in the form of cyst, they are known as spores. So ਇਸੇ process ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ sporulation ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 200 cyst ਬਣਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ spores ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. So now what happens? ਸੈਕੰਡ ਮੈਥਡ ਇਜ਼, ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ, ਡਾਟਰ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਬਣਾਈ ਆ. ਸੈਕੰਡ ਇਜ਼ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਫਿਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ ਇਨਸਿਸਟਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ, ਸੈਕੰਡ ਮੈਥਡ. ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਮੈਥਡ what happens? First of all, the parent amoeba rounds off by withdrawing its pseudopodia, then it secretes around itself a cyst wall. ਸੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਿਸਟ ਵਾਲ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ. Then the chromosomes, set of chromosomes, they divide and redivide to form large number of daughter nuclei or daughter sets of chromosomes. Now this nuclear membrane ruptures. Around each daughter nucleus a bit of cytoplasm gathers and the whole structure is covered by means of plasma membrane. So the structure so formed is daughter amoebae. The small part of cytoplasm which is loaded with waste materials that is not used in the formation of daughter amoebae, that is known as residual cytoplasm. So our residual cytoplasm ਪਿਆ, our daughter amoebae ਪਿਆ. On the return of favorable conditions, ਜਦੋਂ ਹੀ favorable conditions ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, then the parent cyst wall ruptures and daughter amoebae they are released. These daughter amoebae, they have pointed pseudopodia and we call them as amoebulae. We call them as amoebulae. So just see, this is the amoebula, or plural is amoebulae. Previously it was thought that the parent divides by binary fission during favorable conditions and divides by multiple fission during unfavorable period. But now it's clear that when the animal repeats binary fissions for a long time, ਜਦੋਂ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੱਕ binary fission ਨਾਲ divide ਕਰਦਾ, what happens? Its cytoplasm becomes thick, it is loaded with waste materials, it becomes yellow, it loses its transparency, and the animal starts leading sluggish life. बहुत ही ढिला जिहा पै ਜਾਂਦਾ, and then it loses power of binary fission and it feeds less. So when it repeats binary fissions for a long time, then it becomes, we can say it becomes old. Then to become young again, it again enters into multiple fission. What is the advantage of multiple fission? You have studied that residual cytoplasm is lost. So body vichoo excretory waste materials nikal jande hai. This method helps to survive during unfavorable periods, and this method also helps in the dispersal of the animal, because these cysts which are formed, they are very light in weight, they are easily carried by air currents from one place to another. So it means after repeating binary fissions for a long time, when the animal becomes old, to rejuvenate itself, to become young again, फिर तो जवान होने लई, it enters into multiple fission. So multiple fission rahi again animal becomes young and it starts its metabolic activities at a fast rate, starts dividing by binary fission at a fast rate. So this is all about its reproduction. If you will have any doubt, we will clear in Google Meet.